This goes out to all the users.
I run technology of information. I like caffeine and isolation. Living the life, I'm living the dream. Right here on the corner of man and machine. I'm fast on my feet, control, alt, delete. I run the tightest mothership in the whole fleet. But no matter how perfect I get things down, it's the human equation that keeps me around. I fixed it. Leave me alone. I fixed it.
SSO is case sensitive, Joan.
People go out in adverse conditions. They like to get productive in 4 positions, but they handle computers like they're handling bricks. So I had to come up with a fickety fix. Mil spec temperature and shock resistant. Even Chad can't break one.
Hey, that's different.
And still they try to break my zen. Turn it off.
Okay, now turn it on again.
I fixed it. Leave me alone. I fixed it. Leave me alone. I fixed it. Now leave me alone. I fixed it.
Your VPN works now. Try it at home.
Without my skills, they be in the dark. I'm killing trouble tickets like Arya Stark. Fighting stupidity with skill and agility. And when I'm done, I find my tranquility. Straight up, wait up, hold up, what is this? The #1 X86 in the business. Rapid deployment, wicked security. Gold Cat 6 for signal purity. More caffeine, unlock the door. Then back outside to fix some more.
Fear that lives here takes a beating, and careless handling and careless eating. Pour one out for the ones they kill with a non-fat half-calf trackpad spill. Hit the road, get out there, crush it and drop it and fling it and try not to flush it and back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. It moves so fast, so in case you missed it, you're welcome, yours truly, the guys who fixed it.